Hello, my friends. Welcome back to my channel. It's so good how you guys come to my channel once again. In this video today, I'm going to show you, three remote jobs that you can do with your smartphone. You don't have to wait until you have a PC to do them. So, with your smartphone, you can do these remote jobs comfortably from your home. All right. So, without talking too much, let's get started right now. All right, guys, so welcome back. If today is your first time of coming to my channel, this is Learn with Lucky Fields. In this channel, I teach you I teach you about AI skills and remote jobs that you can do with your smartphone from the comfort of your home. So please do well to subscribe to the channel so that you can see me post these kinds of stuffs next time. All right, so now let's get to it. Now the first remote job that you can do with your smartphone is social media management. Now, did you know that there are most of those people you follow on social media, such as TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, that don't have people to help them to respond to their comments, to post for them. Sometimes they don't have the time to start posting by themselves, so they'll need somebody that can help them to post pictures to videos, post adverts, and the most tedious part of the job for them to do is replying to comments. So if you could come to work with them as a social media manager, you could be able to respond to comments, like the comments, reply to messages as well. So now we can do this with the help of your smartphone, so you don't have to wait until you have a PC to do them. Now, where do AI comes in this part? Now, AI helps you to generate what you can post. Do you understand? So let's say daily posts. You can schedule a daily post that you can schedule them with AI, with free AI tools. You can even create some carousel images, some images that you can post with your write-ups. AI can help you do that. So with AI, that job becomes very easy for you to do. Do you understand? So that is the first, which is social media management. Then the next one you can do with your smartphone is video editing. Video editing is a very, very lucrative remote job that you can do from home with your phone. Now, if you check the internet today, you see that most of the videos that are being posted, some people don't have the skill of editing videos, so they just go on make videos and post them. Now, if you can be doing that kind of a job as a video editor, you can be able to add captions, auto captions, add transitions, color grading. All those things are what you can learn as a matter of, let's say, a month. Can be good that okay, a month is okay for you to make that skill part of you. So now you doing that's video editing. It's a very, very lucrative skill that you can do with your smartphone. Okay, so now where the AI comes in. Now you can generate intro videos with the help of AI. I'll post a video about that in my next video, about how you can use AI to create very outstanding intro videos. So intro videos and even even glitch effects. Yeah, I'll show you how to do that. You can create glitch effects with the help of AI. So now you can use them to incorporate them into your work using a CapCut or VN. So you can incorporate all those transitions, those glitches you've made, intro videos and all that. You can add them into your video with help of AI. You can create those things and add them to your video. So that is where AI comes in, video editing. Then the last remote job that you could do with your phone is cold calling. Now you can be a cold caller to most entrepreneurs, most companies that could get you hired to work for them as a cold caller. Now what's the role of a cold caller? He will be the one to call the customers, to respond to calls from customers, and also call customers too. For example, if customers make demand on some products, buy some product, or they make requirements on some products, now you could be the one that will respond to their calls. They call respond to their calls, or you calling them to tell them about the product that is not viewed, that just negotiate with them. Do you understand? That is about cold calling. I'm telling you the fact, is a very, very lucrative job that you can do with your phone. So cold calling, that is the third one. Now, where do AI comes in cold calling? Now, you can use AI to know more about a product. Do you understand? More about a product. Do you get? So some prompt that you can use to learn more, to know more about a product. So AI can help you do that. So that is the third one. Now, so where do we get all these kinds of job I'm talking about? They are very simple. Okay, for example, the first social media management job is very easy. Go to TikTok or Instagram. Now, those people that you've been following, that you like what they do, just go to their DM, say hello. Just start with hello, a simple hello. Then you tell them that you are a social media manager, a professional social media manager, that you would like to work with them. Do you understand? Now they will respond to you. So if, let's say, you pitch about, let's say, 20 different companies, 20 different people that you like, that you've been following. So 20 of them, out of 20, at least 5 or 3 will respond to you. So with that, you can just start doing it little by little from there and close a deal with them. Do you understand? So the same thing too with social media management. Sorry, with video editing job too. You can also meet people. Now you can scroll through Instagram or through any field of your choice. Then you can just pitch them and tell them that you are a video editor. Do you understand? Now, especially those people that their videos are not that that beautiful, that's appealing. Do you understand? Just tell them that you can do this and do that. Now you can also check from YouTube as well. Go to YouTube, search for people that has less than 500 subscribers. Tell them that you can help them to edit their video for them. Do you understand? Now that's how you can do so. So I don't want to make this video to be too long, so I'm going to stop here right now. If you know that you find value in what I've discussed so far in this video, please give me a thumb up and share this video. Subscribe to my channel as well, because I'll be posting more of this often. All right, now, so if you want me to give you text of what you pitch your client with, what you tell them that you are a video editor or a social media manager, so go to my comment and write, give me a pitch, give me a pitch. All right, comment, give me pitch. So I'll just I'll give it to you directly. Do you understand? All right, thank you very much for coming my way. See you guys next time. Goodbye.